Hi everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Well, it's that time of year again. You're back in school and you want to make some friends. Maybe your friends from last year are in other classrooms, or maybe your bestie moved away or goes to a different school. Or maybe you're the one going to a new school. If any of this sounds like you might want to stick around because we've been cooking up a lesson on growing friendships. Part 1, planting friendship seeds. Growing friends is kind of like growing plants. It takes time and patience and caring. You probably have some friends who have been around for a long time. Your friendship with them is already grown and bloomed, like this plant here. It has roots and leaves and flowers. This plant did not start out like this. It started out like this. It began as a seed. Friendship is like that too. It begins with friendship seeds. Planting friendship seeds means that you do little things to let other people know that you are interested in getting to know them better and maybe becoming their friend. So how do you plant friendship seeds? I'm glad you asked. You can start by using friendly body language. It's one of the first things people notice about you. Before you say anything with your mouth, what you do with your face and your body will make people feel either okay or not okay to come over and talk to you.
Looking down and turning away from the group might make people think that you are not interested in being their friend.
Instead, try keeping your head up and look in the direction of people you want to be friends with. There's a much better chance that they will talk to you if you look like a friendly person.
Another way to plant a friendship seed is by greeting people by name. Have you ever noticed how many people say hi or good morning to each other when they get to school in the morning?
Hi, AJ.
Hi, Leah.
Hi, Leo.
Hi, what's your name again?
I'm Priyanka.
Hi, Priyanka.
A greeting lets people know that you notice them and that you're happy to see them. It's also important to say hi back to someone who greets you. Greetings are small but important friendship seeds. Over time, a friendly hello may grow into a blooming friendship. Asking questions is a great way to let people know that you are interested in learning more about them and to find out if you like any of the same things.
What's your favorite thing to do at recess?
I like to play tetherball.
I like kickball and foursquare. What do you like?
I like to play new games.
Do you guys want to play that new game we learned?
Okay.
Making new friends can be exciting and a little bit scary. At first, you might feel nervous about putting yourself out there. But here's the thing. You are not the only one feeling this way. In fact, there are lots of kids and even adults who feel the exact same way. And here's something else. No matter how old you are or how smart you are, making new friends takes time and patience and caring. But when those friendship seeds begin to sprout and take root and start to grow, it will be so worth it. Try planting some friendship seeds today and see how many friends you can grow this school year. And I'll see you next time.